Alrighty, I'm in London and I'm about to go and head off to the cricket at the Oval to watch the first day of the last game of the Championships at Surrey. And I'm catching up with a few friends too, so join me. Let's have a look around. Back in London again, back at Paddington Station. Lost count the number of times I've been here, it's probably thousands. But it was a good day, catching up with friends who I've known, one of them since I was 5 years old, and another since I was 7 years old. So yeah, always good to be back in London and catching up with old, good friends. That's it for today. If you like this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing too. Until I see you again, we're off to Ironbridge tomorrow and then to Wales, and I'll catch up with you another time. Cheers and go well.